Communication models in project management. Communication models are essential tools in project management as they facilitate the clear, effective, and timely exchange of information among the project team and stakeholders. Communication acts as the glue binding every aspect of a project, ensuring that all participants are aligned on objectives, progress, and challenges. These models provide a structured framework to define the content, format, frequency, and channels through which information is shared. In this session, we will explore 3 key communication models, their relevance, and how they can be adapted to suit the specific needs of a project. The interactive communication model is characterized by a bidirectional exchange, where both sender and receiver can share information, ask questions, and provide answers in real time. This model proves particularly useful in project meetings, workshops, or video conferences, where direct dialogue enhances understanding and reduces errors. It is indispensable for addressing complex problems, resolving conflicts, and fostering collaborative decision-making. In contrast, the push communication model involves the transmission of information from the sender to the receiver without requiring direct interaction. Examples include emails, periodic reports, or automated notifications. This model is effective for keeping stakeholders updated without demanding active participation, thereby saving time and resources. However, its success hinges on the clarity and relevance of the information provided, as it does not allow for immediate feedback. The pull communication model, on the other hand, allows recipients to access information as needed, with active distribution by the sender. Examples include collaborative platforms, online repositories, or project dashboards. This model is especially advantageous for projects with numerous stakeholders, as it reduces information overload and enables recipients to retrieve the most pertinent information for their roles. Mastering these communication models is critical for project managers to ensure that the right information reaches the right people at the right time. Ineffective communication can lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and delays, jeopardizing the project's success. Communication models provide practical guidance for planning, managing, and monitoring information flows, enhancing transparency and stakeholder engagement. Understanding different models enables project managers to choose the most suitable approach for the specific needs of a project, optimizing the communication process. Not all stakeholders have identical communication needs. A project manager can tailor communication models to the level of interest and influence of each group. For instance, key stakeholders might prefer interactive communication during strategic meetings, whereas secondary stakeholders might be satisfied with reports sent via push communication. Projects also have access to various communication tools, from project management software to collaborative platforms. The project manager must select the most appropriate channels for each model. For example, pull communication can be implemented using an online portal, regularly updated with documents and dashboards. Communication is never a one-way process, and effective customization requires ongoing monitoring to collect feedback. Project managers can use surveys or analytical tools to evaluate the effectiveness of the communication model and make adjustments if needed. Effective communication often involves integrating multiple models. For example, a project manager might use interactive communication for strategic decisions, push communication for periodic updates, and pull communication to provide continuous access to essential information. By employing a thoughtful combination of these models and continuously refining them, project managers can ensure robust communication frameworks that support project success. Quality models are essential tools in project management to ensure that project deliverables meet the required standards and stakeholder expectations. These models focus on controlling processes and verifying outcomes, providing a structured framework for continuous monitoring and improvement of quality at every stage of the project lifecycle. Quality is not a one-time goal, but a continuous process that demands commitment and a methodical approach. In this session, we will examine 3 key quality models, their significance for project managers, and how they can be customized to fit specific project needs. The PDCA cycle, Plan, Do, Check, Act, is one of the most widely used quality models. This iterative approach involves 4 phases: planning to identify quality standards and define the processes to achieve them, executing the planned activities, checking to verify results against predefined standards, and acting to implement changes for process improvement. This model is particularly beneficial for projects requiring continuous improvement and regular quality monitoring. The Six Sigma model is a data-driven approach focused on enhancing processes by eliminating defects and reducing variability. It employs the DMAIC cycle, define, measure, analyze, improve, control, to identify root causes of problems and implement sustainable solutions. Six Sigma is especially valuable for complex projects demanding high precision and control, such as industrial production or advanced technology development. By significantly improving quality, Six Sigma increases customer satisfaction while reducing operational costs. The ISO 9001 model represents an international standard for quality management systems, QMS. It provides a framework for implementing and maintaining processes based on principles like customer focus, leadership, staff involvement, and continuous improvement. Adopting an ISO 9001 compliant QMS helps organizations ensure efficient processes and deliverables that meet specified requirements. This model is widely used in regulated industries or projects requiring adherence to international standards. For project managers, understanding quality models is vital, as delivering high-quality outputs is a fundamental project objective. Failing to meet quality standards can not only affect stakeholder satisfaction, but also escalate costs and timelines due to rework or corrections. Quality models provide a systematic guide to monitoring and controlling quality, reducing the risk of errors or deviations. Mastery of these models enables project managers to anticipate potential issues, implement proactive improvements, and ensure the delivery of high-value outcomes. Customizing quality models is essential to address unique project requirements. In the PDCA cycle, for instance, the planning phase can include defining specific quality metrics aligned with project goals and stakeholder expectations. Processes within these models can be adapted to fit particular contexts, such as integrating the PDCA cycle into iterative sprints in an agile project to enable continuous improvement after each iteration. Advanced technologies can further enhance quality models. For example, Six Sigma can benefit from statistical analysis software to quickly identify defects and implement solutions. However, quality models are only effective if adopted and supported by the project team and stakeholders. Customization may include training sessions, workshops, or regular feedback to ensure active participation in the quality improvement process. Quality models should not remain static. During project execution, the effectiveness of the implemented model must be monitored, with adjustments made as project contexts evolve or stakeholder needs change. By tailoring these models to project specifics, integrating technological tools, and fostering team engagement in continuous improvement, project managers can achieve excellence in quality management. Whether through the PDCA cycle, Six Sigma, or ISO 9001, each model offers a structured approach to quality control and enhancement. A project manager skilled in these models not only ensures high-quality deliverables, but also fosters a work environment dedicated to excellence and ongoing improvement.